Oh, happy day. Off work, it is Friday, and look what we have. It's a rainy day!
It
Woo! So de todos modos, adventure time. But hold on. Oh, I think I have something in the camera. 1 second. I didn't see. Oh, who's there? Hey, it's Mickey! That's awesome. Thank you. You want to take a picture? We made it!
We ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on
We made it,
board.
but it's really
In just a few moments, we will
alright.
begin our trip. to the
It'll get colder.
Disneyland Resort
I'm
main
100%
entrance
sure of
plaza.
that.
Thank you.
But right now I'm surviving. I think it's just like the adrenaline going that I'm fine. Even the guy checking, he's like, "You're not cold?" And I was like, "Not yet."
Not yet. Later on, sorry.
Yeah. We have made it inside Disney! Woo! Why am I not getting poured in? Because my assistant here.
Yep. Straight out. Don't say anything.
Thank you, eh?
Thank you.
Ahí te compro un cafecito.
Ah, gracias, en serio.
De nada. Ay, mi
Cosita.
Let's go explore! Anos!
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go!
I haven't been here in years, so.
I know!
7 years.
The guy who lives here and isn't from here. Let's go! Can you keep up?
I
Can the
could.
umbrella keep up?
Maybe.
It's super rainy, y'all. Like, I'm gonna try over there.
Why are you trying to go outside?
Well, I'm not. It's super rainy. Let's hope I can get some good things for you guys. Quack, quack, quack. And we added another friend. What's going on?
Hola, hola.
I got some birria. I got my little setup going on right here. Antes muerta que sencilla. I mean, come on. You know, tengo que like in my little umbrella situation. It was like the seats were all wet. I'm like, I got this. We're in California Adventures now. We're gonna go to California, soaring through California, which is kind of like flyover in Vegas. We gotta dance it out, find a warm place to just kind of chill, be nice. You gotta throw a beat in there. Aquí nada más disfrutando de la lluvia, you know, we don't get it often, so might as well just like you know the Barney song, no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let all the raindrops na 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 na. Oh how na 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 na. Scream at the top of your lungs na na na. El asistente, mira. El asistente, el asistente. Tan tan tan.
Te la estoy contando, Tú solo aguanta, mija.
I'm kidding. All love, all love, all love. Todo amor, todo amor.
Nada. No. Aquí es pura venganza.
No, la venganza no es de Dios.
Como si es de Dios. Dice, y la venganza es mía. Pero hoy se la va a pasar a Kenny. Pues va a ser mía también.
Ay, no.
Le voy a hacer un paro.
It's not raining anymore. Woo! We don't know for how long, but we're just passing.
Gotta take advantage of it.
Yeah, I definitely have to take advantage of it. We're passing Radiator Springs, which is amazing. We're gonna catch the Little Mermaid. And yeah, I like the soaring. It wasn't soaring California. It was soaring the world.
Yes, around the world.
Around the world. It was really, really nice. So we're still gonna be in California Adventures for a little bit longer, and then we're gonna go back to Disneyland. So yeah.
And enjoy this cold weather.
Oh yeah. Thank you.
For a pair of oil balls.
I wanna see them dancing, strolling along down the Western Virginia street.
Under the sea. There's something about her.
No, for real. We're gonna go on the swinging gondolas when I ever know. This is for your entertainment as I scream my lungs out as we're swinging back and forth. Is my heart racing? 100%. Vamos a hacer una oración, hermanos. Here today, prayer for yours truly to survive this.
Dime, una oración con unción.
That's what I'm saying. I got this. I got this. I'm a scaredy cat, y'all. I'm such a scaredy cat. We got this. We got this. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dory. Welcome to the big wheel thing. You know, to be safe, once you're on board, you should definitely...
I don't know about this.
What are we doing to look at it?
I need to look at it. I need to analyze what is going on.
What are we doing
We're
now?
swinging.
We are.
We're swinging.
We're swinging in the rain.
Dude, it's really tall though. Like the thing is.
It's haven't even started and you're already your heart's already going to chest.
My heart. Hold on. Yeah, dude, I'm nervous.
Okay, so we're recording her right now because she's super nervous. ¿Sabes qué? Dios está contigo.
Okay, I'm gonna look
Con
down.
nosotros.
Oh, santo,
Y
santo.
todos los santos también.
Ay, okay, okay.
Yeah!
Yes, ahí está.
Okay, breathe, 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 breathe.
Okay, okay, not horrible. Oh, you're almost there. It's the first one we do.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah. We're fine. You see me going like this?
Estoy llorando.
I have my handy dandy stick here.
Luckily, it doesn't move fast.
No, it doesn't. That's what I was scared of. Yeah. Ay, santo, we're doing it again. Okay,
It's okay.
This isn't bad.
Estamos bien.
Yeah, estamos bien.
Mejor
Mira, qué bonito. Look at the
cantemos.
view though. Actually, this is a
Look
nice.
at the
Oh,
view.
Joy is there.
All the
Look, did you see
lights.
Joy?
And Joy down there.
Hold on, I'm trying to zoom it in. How do you zoom this? Oh, I got it.
I got it.
No, I got it.
Ya sentí el miedo.
No, because we're not moving.
Go back to both of you girls. You enjoying
How do you
the
handle stress? Oh, like amazing.
Are you enjoying the ride?
Super, man. Like
We're still.
una vista así como, you know. Okay, we're gonna move again, okay? Alright, we're not gonna move
Already.
again. We're gonna move again.
This is so bad that you're looking over there.
Oh my god, I'm waiting. Yes! Look, it's
Total que no caímos.
I know. Caemos en el agua. Ay, mira, qué exagerados, mira. Yeah.
We're going again.
Let's go. Let's go again.
Ahora sí. No tiene miedo.
Ya.
Ya venció el temor.
Ya.
Ahora ya.
Ya era noviada.
So pretty. Ay, cálmense.
Agárrense de las manos.
Ay.
This is amazing.
Y te iba a pedir, tomas una foto.
No, imagínate. This is enough.
Oh my goodness, look who I'm here with. It's Joy, my mera, my twin over here. Mwah. Let the adventures begin. Woo! While my friends went out on the Guardians of the Galaxy ride, I decided to take a little stroll down Hollywood Lane and visit the Animation Academy, where many of our known friends were hanging out. Check this out. Hi! And I'll be getting gorgeously tan in summer. Yeah! When it gets warm. Ah. Oh, who's there? Hey, it's Mickey! That's awesome. Thank you. We just got done with Big Thunder Mountain, and we came because I love the coffee here with the little like Cocoa Puffs. If you know, you know. It looks like this. Mwah! If you ever come to Disney and you try this, you're gonna thank me. It's amazing. But we came to check out the little Star, well, not the little, but like the Star Wars land over here, and don't know what is left to do here, but we're gonna try to get as many rides as we can. They are closing a little bit earlier because of the weather condition, because it's been so like rainy. So it's gonna close at 11 instead of 12. It's currently like about 7 something. And yeah, we still need to get Peter Pan. We still gotta go to Space Mountain again. And yeah, we're just gonna check out the store real quick. Como ven, ando toda, my bangs did not do well. Which one's next?
Small World.
It's a
And I'm excited for that one. Even though I don't know.
I know, he's the one that requested this one.
Well, it's because it brings back childhood
That
memories.
makes sense, that makes sense.
I haven't,
It's a good one, it's a good one.
I'm 33.
He's 33, guys, he's single, he's looking. Aquí te pongo, aquí, we'll find you, help me, friends. We'll
Oh
help.
yeah, small little world, right?
Yes, in the small little world that we live in.
Yep.
Alright, let's get this in the ride. Woo! Yeah, this is a pretzel, a taro, cookies and cream. My goodness. Delicious. So it's a new railroad attraction, and the cutest thing about these popcorns is that they're all Mickey Mouse like forms. I'll show you.
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Oh wow!
How you doing? You sure you take good care of our friends. Where are we waiting? There they are! Oh boy!
We made it! Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your position. Ready and...
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Eso. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, looking so beautifully together.
Woo! Woo! Eso.
Well, hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
What'd you guys think of the new ride? It was cool. The new ride was really cool. Oh wait, hold on, my camera. Hold on. Oh, yeah, for real. Me too. We can start dancing. But I don't know, I have that song stuck in my head now. Nothing can stop us now. But it was cute. Very, very cute.
There it is, Wendy. Second start on the right, straight on till morning.
started the day. We're ending it in Space Mountain. It's really windy, the wind's picking up, the rain's picking up, it's getting cold. Ya me está pegando, it is cold. I'm ready to go and get warm. But yeah, I think I enjoyed it. And honestly, I'll see you guys tomorrow as I get some shut-eye. Yeah, I'm better looking. Because toda mojada over here, I'll be all dried up. Ready? Right? Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us in this whole adventure. Peace out. And peace out. Bye. Bueno, pues muchas gracias. Ya me voy. What a glorious morning it is today. It is still rainy, it's still cloudy. My little farewells. Where I'm going, it's still rainy, it's still cloudy as well. So I'm excited to head there. But thank you, Kenny, for everything, for hosting me, for your parents, making bomb food. I had ceviche, I had tamales. I mean, I did not suffer. I ate so well.
Ahí cuando gustes.
Ajá, sí. Ahí cuando gustes, ahí está tu casa también.
Ya is the same?
Of course. You go there anyways.
Right. I'm already used to it. I'm already welcome there.
Exactly. But yeah, thank you. This was fun. This week was fun. I hope you guys had fun, you know, sharing this moment with us.
I had fun. Disney was great, even though it was pouring.
Oh my gosh, it was really, really pouring. And everything was canceled. There was no fireworks, there was no parade, obviously because of the rain, but
it's fun.
I enjoyed it too. I mean, it's not every day that after work I go to Disneyland.
True.
That's pretty fun in itself.
Like right after work.
Like right after.
Go now.
Clock out, let's go. Like it was
There's
crazy.
no time to like,
no time.
None of that.
Oh, and then we slept at 3 in the morning because we got out of the park by 11.
We had to go eat.
We went to get a little snack because ya nos pegaba hambre and stuff. So yeah, and then we dropped off our friend. We dropped off our friend, and then and then we got home, showered, and I knocked out. Bueno pues, enough talking. Let's go to the next location. I'll see y'all.
Peace out.
Bye. And just like that, it was such a quick train ride. So the train, we are in Fullerton, California. We are actually catching a bus. So we're catching another side of transportation. We did the plane, we did the train. Now we're off to the bus. So that's a 2-hour bus ride to our next location, which is Indio, California. All right, so Indio, I have family there. It's gonna be in Palm Springs, Palm Desert area. My mom's side of the family is there. And honestly, I just think I've been staying with friends and family, but like this is like all family. So like that's uncles and you know cousins that live there, and I just can't wait to like just spend more time with them. I just feel like I haven't really talked to each one of them individually. I did go when I was in New Year's when I went over there, but I just felt like in my heart that I was like, this is a place where I have to be right now. Like I just feel like I need to talk to each one of them, my uncles and everything. I mean, family is everything to me. Family is just so important. So let's go and catch up with them. I have my aunt and uncle who are going to be picking me up, and you know, in the train ride I met 2 awesome people from Canada, and yeah, they're gonna ride the train or the bus with me, so you'll probably see them along as well. All right, let's catch the train or the bus before it leaves me, because I don't want that to happen. So vámonos. And then we've arrived with our new friends.
Hello. Cheryl and Michael from Canada.
Yes, thank you guys for making this an awesome trip.
It was a great trip, and thank you for being such a good friend.
Of course. All right, let the adventures begin. Let's go.
Perfect.
On another note, while we wait for my family to come, my phone stopped working. Okay, so in Arizona, I went to the restroom during church and I had like my hands busy, you know, and I had my phone like right here. It slipped down and it cracked. Completely broken from the back. I was like, you know what? It's fine. Yes, it sucks, but it's fine. And then yesterday during like Disney time, doing Small World, getting up, like my phone fell and there was like some water, but it should be like water resistant, right? I don't know why, like it just stopped working from like halfway down, but like not completely. Like I could still text, but it like takes me 20 minutes to write like something. Can't do a lot of characters, because like the A's might not touch, the P's go up, like it's just the weirdest thing. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. Decided to share that with you guys. So be better, y'all. Be better than your Explorador. No, but those people were super awesome. Just met them in the train. It was really packed. So then I just decided to sit down, and they were amazing. I mean, Canadians, you do your thing. I'll let you guys know when my aunt is here. Like I said, family time is super, super important to me. And lately, I just have felt that need. Like, what resulted in this whole trip was that I just wanted to spend more time, more one-on-ones. I hardly get to see them. I see my family from Vegas obviously more, and that's my dad's side of the family. But with this one, we're not far, but yet we don't see each other often. And I just felt in my heart that people just needed that one-on-one. Even though I'm a lot younger, you know, than them, and they saw me grow up, it's still cool to kind of embrace that thing of like, we're still human no matter your age. You're still human, you still go through things, and what they're dealing with right now, I might be able to like help them out a little bit more. I'm super excited just to see my cousins have fun. This whole trip I think has been more of about people experiences rather than location experiences, although I am grateful for everything that I've experienced and seen, but people interaction just makes the highlight of things. So without further ado, mi familia. Let's go. Mira nomás, ¿quién llegó? Mira nomás. Oh. ¿Cómo está? You're so pretty. Thank you. What's up, Tio? How are you?